Hello?
Miss Lestico, guess what time it is?
What time?
It's time for math!
Yay!
Hey guys, welcome to math. It is the last day of this unit. I can't believe it. We have learned so much. Let's go ahead and take a look at our target so we know exactly what we're going to be doing today. I can represent a number in various forms and compare it to other numbers. Wow, that kind of sums up just about everything that we've been practicing so far in this unit. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing I did was draw two digits. Remember, a digit is just a single number by itself. I have a 2 and an 8. Now, my job is to create or generate the largest possible number using these digits. Let me see what I know about these numbers. I have a 2 and an 8. Well, I know that 8 is greater than 2. I could say 2 is less than 8, so 8 is definitely the bigger number. And if I'm trying to make the largest possible number, that needs to come first. So I think that the greatest possible number I could create or generate is 82, right? The other way would be 28, and that's just not really a bigger number compared to 82. Now, I just wrote this number in standard form. That's right. Yeah, some of you were saying it with me. It's in standard form because that's just how the number would normally look. Who remembers expanded form? Yeah? Expanded form is when I'm going to expand the number. So I have my standard form here. My expanded form is the form with the plus sign in the middle because I'm taking the value of my tens plus the value of my ones. So I have an 8 in the tens place right here. If I have 8 tens, it is not worth 8. It has a value of 80. I can just take the 8 and add a 0 behind it because I know that 8 tens has a value of 80. Now, if I look at my ones, I have a 2 in the ones place. Well, that just has a value of 2. So my expanded form of this number is 82. There is one more form that we've really been practicing with. Our base 10 form or our picture form. Now, we can use base 10 blocks to build this, or we can also draw those base 10 blocks. So I'm going to draw my tens. I have 8 tens. I am not going to have to draw 80 tens. I only have 8 tens. When I'm drawing them, I'm going to make these long, skinny rectangles. And I know that that represents a 10. When I see it, I just know. Let me go back and double check. Do I have enough? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I don't. It's a good thing I went back and double checked. Sometimes when you're getting these numbers that have a lot of tens, it is easy to accidentally put too many tens or not enough. Let me check. I'm supposed to have 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. I also have a little gap in between the tens. I do not want to draw one big box and just put lines like this. That is not how we draw tens, okay? I also need to draw my ones. I have 2 ones. My ones are just these little tiny boxes, just like this, about the same size. I can clearly tell the difference between my tens and ones. Do you remember generating a number and representing it in different forms like this? Yeah, we did it quite a few times. Oh, but the other part of our target says we are going to be comparing numbers. Let's practice comparing some numbers with those comparison symbols greater than, less than, or equals to. I remember when we start comparing numbers, we need to look at the tens place first. So let me see, this number has a 9 in the tens, and this number has a 9 in the tens. Oh, okay. If they are the same, I have to look at the ones place because they have equal amounts of tens. So let me look. This number has 7 ones and oh my goodness, Snapdragon, you guys. It has 7 ones. These numbers both have 9 tens and 7 ones. What comparison symbol am I going to put there? Yeah, an equal sign, because they are equal numbers. They are the exact same number. So I'm going to say equals, just like that. Okay, next one, 82 and 47. Okay, let me look. Oh, this number has 8 tens, and this number has 4 tens. Ooh, you know, even though this number has more ones than this number, it doesn't matter because I'm looking at the tens place. I can see 8 tens is definitely more than 4 tens. So I need to put my greater than sign. That's with the wide mouth opening towards the bigger number. I could say 82 is greater than 47. Let's look at the next one. Ooh, 10 versus 20. Ooh, I have a 1 in the tens place and a 2 in the tens place. Ooh, that's very similar. Those numbers are very close, but I know that 2 is a bigger number than a 1. Okay, I'm not going to put my greater than symbol because I wouldn't say 10 is greater than 20. And I don't read it backwards, 20 is greater than 10, even though 20 is greater than 10. I need the less than symbol. 10 is less than 20. I have the wider part opening to the bigger number and the smaller point towards the smaller number. 10 is less than 20. All right, there's one more. Let's go ahead and take a look. 55 versus 59. Okay, I have a 5 in the tens and a 5 in the tens. Well, earlier when I had a 9 and a 9, they were equal. Are these numbers equal? No, that's right. I have to look at my ones. Okay, they both have 5 tens. This number has 5 ones, and this number has 9 ones. Okay, if their tens are equal, I need to look at their ones. This has 5 ones, this has 9 ones. 9 ones is definitely greater than 5 ones. So I'm going to have to use that less than symbol again because I'm going to read it as 55 is less than 59. Now, we also practiced comparing numbers that were in picture form or base 10 form because you're not always going to see a number in that standard form. Let's see, I have 3 tens over here, no ones, and then I have, wow, that's a lot of ones. Oh, there's only 1 10, 8 ones. Okay, so even though this number has more drawn, it's just a bunch of ones. This number still has way more tens. It has 3 tens. This one only has 1 10. So I know that this number is the bigger number. So I can say 3 tens is greater than 1 10 and 8 ones. The last thing that we practiced was looking at a set of numbers and putting them from least, or smallest, to greatest, biggest. Okay, so I'm going to start. I remember, I just compared my numbers. I need to look at the tens place. I have 6 tens, 9 tens, and 2 tens. Which one of those is the least? Yeah, the 2 tens. This number right here, 21, is my least number. So I can put that first. Okay, now I need to find what's the next least. 6 tens or 9 tens? Yeah, what? Yeah, 6 tens. So this number is going to come next. And that means what's my greatest number? 99. Yeah, with the 9 tens. Yeah. Now, these numbers are in least to greatest. Well, that makes it really easy for me to put them on my number line. I know that my least number needs to come all the way to this side. And my greatest number needs to come all the way to this side. However, my middle number does not just get to go right in the middle of my open number line. I need to figure out what number is it closest to. I have 21 and 99. Well, 21 has 2 tens and 99 has 9 tens. Okay, 2 tens and 9 tens. The number I still have has 6 tens. Ooh, is 6 tens closer to 2 tens or 9 tens? Yeah, it is closer to 9/10. So I'm going to put my number right here, 62, because it's not really right beside 99, but it is closer to 99 than 21. It's your turn. On Seesaw, you are going to have a 2-page assignment where you show me how to generate a number, break it down into parts. You're going to have to compare numbers, show me greater than, less than symbols. Then you're also going to have to put numbers from least to greatest and on an open number line. But guess what? You can so do it. You guys have been doing so great in this unit. Make sure when you're done, you push the green check mark. And tomorrow is a remote learning day. So there's not going to be any video lesson for you to watch, okay? You're going to have some review activities, and I know you're going to do great. We'll see you next week.